Number 12. In the linear function h of 0 equals 41 and h of 1 equals 40, which equation defines h? So these are functions, and when you have a function, most commonly you see as f of x equals blah, blah, blah. What it means is there's going to be x's, usually, doesn't have to be, it could just be a number. There's probably going to be an equation here involving x's, and you're going to be given numbers and saying f of x, like f of 2, f of 3, f of 4, whatever, f of 5,272,000, who knows. But f of whatever that number is, they're telling you wherever there's an x, plug that number in, do all the math, and see what you get. And that's going to be your answer. So it might say like, oh, f of 2 equals 221. It means I took 2, I plugged it in wherever there was an x in this equation, and the answer I got after I did the math was 221. All right, so this one they're saying h of 0. So h of 0 was 41. There was an equation, they plugged in 0 wherever there was an x, and then they did the math, and they got 41. It's saying which equation defines h. So let's go through these, and let's just start with that h of 0 equals 41, and then we'll move on to the second one. So we're going to do each one of these in turn and see what we find out. First one, negative x plus 41. Wherever there's an x, we plug in 0. So negative 0, negative 0 is just 0. Plus 41, that equals 41. Okay, we're told it would equal 41. That's true. All right, so A is an option. Let's try B. H of x equals negative x. So I'm going to plug in a 0 wherever there's an x. So a negative 0 is just 0. And that's it. Did I get 41? No, I didn't. I got 0. So B is out. That is not an option. Eraser, there we go. Then we have C, negative 41 times x. Again, I'm going to put 0 wherever there's an x. For negative 41 times 0 is 0. I did the math, I got 0. I did not get 41, so C is out. Okay, rid of that. And last but certainly not least, h of x equals negative 41. When you see there are no x's there, it just means whatever number you put in, it's going to be negative 41. So if I plug 0 in, I'm going to get negative 41. Is that 41? No, it isn't. So D is out. I don't even have to do anything else. I'm going to, just to prove it to myself to make sure. But yeah, you already know A is your answer. Personally, I think that's a little sloppy on the SAT board's part. It's unlikely, I'm going to say, that you're going to get something like this on the day. Most likely, you're going to have like an A, B, C, and D in this kind of thing. And usually what happens is that at least 2 of them would fit the first one. Like say maybe A and C, for example, would fit the first one. And then you'd have to test to see which one of those would fit the second one. I'm not really sure why they did it where you just have to do the first one, the h of 0, and you automatically have your answer. Frankly, if I was taking the test on the day and I saw this, I would be suspicious and think I had done something wrong, because it's just really weird that they all get eliminated by the first equation. But that is what's happening here. But let's just double check our answer to make sure. H of 1 equals 40. So negative x plus 41. If I plug in 1 wherever there's an x, I get negative 1 plus 41, which is 40. Yeah, that is correct for both of those. A is my answer. Hey guys, if this was helpful or useful in any way, please let YouTube know so I can keep helping you and others like you. Comment, like, share, subscribe, you know the drill. Also, if you're interested in practical or fun math-related items like this math clock or this hopefully humorous t-shirt, click on the links down below to check out my Spreadshop and Etsy stores. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.